Once upon a time, in a small town of Sindh, there lived a truck driver named Sajid. He was known for his honesty, long night drives, and his only companion, a loader man named Imran. Together they carried goods from city to city. One night, Sajid was driving through a lonely highway. The road was silent, covered with fog, and the sound of the truck's engine echoed like a heartbeat in the empty night. Imran, sitting beside him, felt uneasy. Suddenly, Sajid's eyes became heavy. He gripped the steering wheel tighter and whispered in a strange voice, "Imran, do you see them walking on the road?" Imran looked outside. There was no one, just darkness. He grew frightened but tried to calm Sajid. "Bye, it's your tiredness. Keep your eyes on the road." But Sajid's face turned pale. His voice changed. He pressed the accelerator and the truck roared faster. Imran realized something was wrong. Sajid was not himself anymore. The wind howled. Sajid suddenly started speaking words Imran couldn't understand. The truck swayed dangerously from side to side. Imran shouted, "Ya Allah, help us!" With trembling hands, Imran recited a few verses he remembered from his childhood. Suddenly, Sajid's eyes blinked and he gasped for breath. The truck slowed down. Sajid stopped in the middle of the road. Sweat dripped down his forehead. He looked at Imran with fear. "Brother, I don't remember what just happened. I only saw shadows trying to control me." Imran placed a hand on his shoulder. "Don't worry, Sajid. Darkness has no power over faith. We'll face every journey together and remember God in every mile." From that night, they never started a trip without prayer. Sajid recovered, but he always knew. Sometimes the biggest battles on the road are not with distance or time, but with the unseen.